ha nimpatam ne monten so ene nimpasua so ene de eba be da won sempi ene de brona bed power Premier League match week 3 ade se sha se ne Golden City Park ho ena brekum Chelsea ene Accra Lions ede pem so far game na nya chance e ananya chance de ne etete every brekum yi ye be kɔ ne adi nkomo efiri ho ede aba so no so enu achi medema as we China our CAF Champions League second round of prelims no omude pem so na game no so far medema ekopie mu de nhyehyɛ ne de na ekɔ yɛbɛkɔ Dreams FC na yɛahwɛde from asɔe so eba ɛwɔ dwumadi ahodo a ekɔ so na de ne yɛtete ɛsɛ the great Ampon Isaiah Ampon unya akokofuna unya silver na yɛtete protest nsensem bi your football idiot. And Sampi and Elbow by Beru Mitina de Lutakin Michael Akumia the Sports Messiah Atrasubeti Michael Asaribo Duncan Jeffrey Asari the Apostle Collins Atapuku Saso and a production on a nurse Kramo Alajino no and a Prince Ebobomi SP Eso Etechena Ricardo Varas Omo Boami de Tumadian Abroko MCR Fideus Oho Saso and a Buzi Kevin omno ombo dwumadie no amedi dwumadie no atata so edi amahye no so ese Sompa sika promotion na yeka Sompa sika promotion na ese Sompa ebe chosika wo de ne se utimi twa ba ku bia 5 series na the 5 series ebe di 20,000 Ghana cedis 10,000 Ghana cedis 15,000 Ghana cedis when you kura no 2,000 Ghana cedis na say net here Sompa your Sompa makum yensa and na Ghana ha your Sompa TV and your Terra One and your TV stations no and about radio stations are your Sompa Kransa Sompa Kumase and a Sompa Sunyane and in Tinisha offer phone to all networks obe dale sa code amidi to drive star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash o dale pe sa short code no obo pe sa stations me ansana na sa Sompa Terwa media no ni nyina be yaba na wa enter the programs na ye wo de no se kumase Sompa ena ye wo de se kumase Sompa na ope Sompa nkranza na Sompa sunwa na wa bo e de ahye wo obo hye wo pe na wo enter ebeyi u take it number e de amount na de sa number na to eye anopa oman he ye wodubu achetena se e wade ache bia ni political morning show no so a eyade se obe draw na mo adi no what disca wa ba be juicy canada ko sports ye transfer full time so a eno so ye be ba be ye wo ye draw na udia ne do diamanti anwumre na sempa nipa for eso do mo dia beta so and every day bia no so mpebe che sika mprem akoma yensa ye be che bia no pa ye be che bia wia ya che bia anwumre wo de ne se utimi twagum sa eno ye 5 Ghana cedis utwa ubedi bebre shanon son afama ye na bibia nya kama eno enhye ya eba ye de ema mo e wodwumadie no so na eno achi no shanon sasa dwumadie e regulated by the National Lottery Authority na omo ena me etumi no ese ye mfa omo mra no enya adwuma na ye nrane sa edwumadie no so emfa emma na eno achi showdown walk yes omonyan for Canada compre kwa Japan honestly may you showdown tell him man showdown me running it down now what touching it down now what knocking it down na no na nyame pa china ena omonyan for Canada compre kwa Japan showdown walk no baso na dofo na chitafo ene adehye wiasa wa yo mo papa omuta na chipa so be frank atuni edma MP pamanyuko no be Ghana ma mpanyini no china ene ye nyina ye kan ho bom na ya nante na the t-shirt no sa account there showdown walk t-shirt no ya v-neck ene all run neck ebi a sister series ebi a 40 series ya watcha wo ho Kennedy ni picture bom kama and your marks caps and ketwani bi eso kama obano abejo de Sompa your reception obaba na se mami pokuya eho oni adwoa safo a cheso omo reception kama no abejo t-shirt na okona bibia aye fine na so person wonu omo dim komo na nkyeremu bi o ma ofra a showdown work organizers na ewo number is 0278 369 494 0278 369 494 from Omnubedi and Komo na biaso aye kama and watch you know 21st clinic SSC kaya de brano mumpam no ma bra no mumpam na do ho ne nyina se 21st clinic omo na sciatica ya de no mutu ase ya de na ema veins untini emu nyina twetwon asisi moja ni ntimi ni afisa ne ama wonam kokom nyina woso eye wo sha ehyehew eno ene fa na sciatica okwa ombetu ase eso edi ama ene 21st clinic eno chinom de bibidro ese ya de bebre mfidi awdo ho nurses doctors ho okwa mo krokro ejeje so se ohene ba enti ko 21st clinic ni ensa ya de emfama na ohwo mo check okumase a omo ahwa overseas junction on ben alpha radio eno achikwa no ngo ebi ho saso ankrensa sunwan ebi ho saso ana piem obu ase cancer quarters a omo akra dome market no ebi ho saso Cape Coast grade from 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 from na bia enya kama miso fruit drink misa 5G tie miso fruit drink misa 5G miso fruit drink misa 5G eno a new round idea de ba miso 5G misa ha na say ko miso fruit drink no a fruit and your diet drink abadwaman so obia no apem for no about town no enkwada no empanfo no wo ye obia wanyini wo yakokra na abrewa na pese onyini cha a miso fruit drink if say fruit no ebeboa about town opem for wonya binum eboa pa na misa 5G no eno so de edin crofasem wa mo so no enane srade eno achi no wo ye adwuma no wa bro na nta no wa bra ni nyina misa 5G etimbo afre na mpa na babia obia emro obi nton na nyamfa so 0246 270221 0246 270221 na bibia enye kama na mamia be abe herbal clinic abibidro na yede esa yade abibidro and yede jenkwa was it low sperm count ya ka low sperm count abema eno chese obema na yebema kra etimi sorry eye adwuma na nsuo na wom no agene entimi nyem oba ene sana ye fra nsuo no low sperm enu ntino sa uwo bia ukọ maami abe ho a obema low sperm count na ira eno hepatitis diabetes malaria tokra beda odise bia akoma ho etware ewofie ho odi anu ye sexual weakness unyo oba no wasorosoro no ohun anu wo twetwe wo ni nyina no kọ obema aye bema mu enu achi no stomach ulcer ni nyina no betu ase da mama no bosom so a mo menstrual disorders no ni nyina no obe eye ede fru amamo okuma sitano so patrapa new site obe patrapa junction from amia border be herbal clinic ano ewo 0243 34 5392 0243 34 5392 na 0506 46 0208 ofen obejo so na bibia eso ayeka mo madaroma ena wiom bo ye chidom am ye de dwumadi atuni di se shootout di abro e Sompa 93.1 FM so esa live on Facebook eno e de down no jenwram medema na me pachina ewo the second round of CAF Champions League prelims, you know, second leg. Echina ebeto dwa na medema no Royal AC and the airpim so na team no eye training anopai na se ohwe babia omo eda ho na hotel ho no premises so ba bi no mu gina se omo eye training kakra omo stretch ya ama no maso akodi ama medema nyame pachina ombetuma si forma boa ma bibia eso atuma koye ede ama omo eno medema Sporting Club de fro maso eba ye de ema mu ewotuma die no so na yemram yentie nsema owura ye fe Neil Armstrong Montagbe eso edi atodwa na mame nkwa ahoma no so na menni nkomo eso emra ni nyina no se Bird Power Premier League no week 3 shase ne na Ramo Golden City Parker ho na Brekum Chelsea ene Accra Lions eso edi apem so na ye tititi bibi ye ba ne awuram ne edi nkomo ho na de ekonyina no so update awdo no ye de abrem ewo eye dwumadi no so na mayentwe se eye concentration eso aba ahoma no so a na ye ne concentration kodi nkomo concentration bo ko de
me campana da waje na no ya ji papa asuna Sompa so joining commentary no eti akanche na no ya den bo de kita Lions Accra Lions omoda de bo ani ko Accra Lions na so da bi bona be di shabu apia da ma kufu asamwa apia da ma Augustine na de bo ani ko ohwe wan apia da ba chi e da kwa kuma ya da kwa apia e da kwa kuma Steven amankuna tan kama amankuna pia da ma Patrick Asiedu apia e da ma Collins Samuel pia e da kwa kuma Augustine e wa center circle wa ball pass or we.
Right, next time I echo Philly kakra. The Coso El Golden City Park. A year game Brekum Chelsea and the Accra Lions. So, no, say Jumadi on air per confirmation. I said Jumadi Nashas, if any TTBB, as I meant Timuasibi and Tino game no a delay. But good news in a game no Etimasha and a concentration. Ama Yahu Diako and the air banner and no air dear Dao. Colin Samiano guest in Henemo and let me sack a free more Etimasha. I'm a Biaso air kama and no air dear Dimamo. Now, some Neil Armstrong more tagbe so edia to dan some na wakano anodine.
Are we to disbelieve the lives of Dr. Nyao Tamaklo? Are we to disbelieve the lives of Amaka Matefio, Moses Amapaka, and some of these persons? In the last election 2019, everybody in our football space knows where some of them stood in terms of who they were backing. Yet these persons have come forward and said, we are not saying that our football is perfect. By no means. There's so much more work to do. But given the signals that we've seen of these 4 years of Mr. Kurt Edwin Simeon Okraku, we think he's laying a good foundation and deserves a second. It's not ice. Now, look at the number of endorsements that we have seen.
I know Ian Summer, Neil Armstrong, Eddie Atujasa, so a share Juma, Kurt, Iron one first timer, foundation, Waleni Kama, and who be here. Esefata say yebesi amana toaso na football ne de obia we football person biana who say Kurt it deserves so toaso nti Kurt toaso enu nti endorsement no onya bebre sa no na enu achi no yenwram na yenhwe eya Brentford Emmanuel Kayeke ono sakad Masamates na Ghana Premier League no Sunday omo bo against Bechem United na nsema Emmanuel Kayeke e dia tudwane
league never na league so there anya say tournament abeka say league because you always have the next match to play and the most important thing yakolu so away inti eba home no there any excuse be I will say you put in the work now during the week so you are working hard, you are working so hard when you say going into Sunday game na me adoma you the 3 points no fans no and fast Ruby and shame game here we are approaching game here with seriousness and Crofona Bomudino so much quality players no coach no amupo a lot of quality but more than enough quality or her the match and on any day so that we go into every game with the same mentality, the same approach. You see, looking at workout now during the week, we are sure said 3 points.
Anu Sama Emmanuel Kayeke obo Edma Samates edituga na enu achi na coach your friend Nuru Amadu eso ekasai ahead of Omni Bechem United game no.
This week the players and our team they are very determined and then this defeating to in a home match in Bechem it's going to be a very, very difficult game. But we are poised, yes, Yamia to my team 3 points. So we are going all out against Bechem. We have for the respect on the pitch, we have to fight for our 3 points. You know, football is played on the pitch, it's not our names.
And we are Samates, almost summer boy, Ghana Premier League game on Sunday. Omone Bechem United, the Pimsono, and a coach, a friend of coach Amadou Nuru, eso Edison Semwe Atujano. Abajafonya Tinase Ewaha, Michael Akumia, the sports Mizaya Waha, Sasuna, Michael Asaribodu, eso Atinase Ewaha. Mizaya, Mahe, Seboko there.
Nyame adom ahwe ni experience bibia de de na wie.
Yeah, the nyame ase. SP so chiao.
SP.
Former Konongo Odumase Senior High SP.
Mama headmaster tekura de bubufu. School ni headmaster ti and bubufu.
Na so no na be kai Mickey.
Papa.
Bacho enya no na be ka kire.
Obi o say oh yeah SP for short term. Meaning say o ko first year out in your school prefect. Oh
I saw the boom profile so far.
Na ne so dem kula le tifi a.
Nensem.
Wo dey agije hu fees now.
Nensem so say.
Misa ya wie dey yankwe.
Yes, Luther, another weekend for the Ghana Premier League. Bekum Chelsea na chance.
But me ba protest be ansem yetete ye hwese e bedi nkomo. But Mickey, wada ma betima brief yes our protest yetete no nsem kakra.
Oh, say statement na wo ha a group ana yemfanisa ye from the Ghana Football Stakeholders Forum na nipekuo ba kumienu miense bi o maka mo ho abom mo ogidie se nyoma ba kumienu miense bi ekoso Ghana football mo nentwe yi na omo pese omo eye protest enso editia the Ghana Football Association omo demonstration ne da no Edwada ebe Monday October 2nd 2023 na once I won't mean yet such public demonstration wabra police for no emma opinion and as a omoma permission inti ne kwan so no motro e de koma the regional police headquarters no e won crime na police for no swaji atum say e da no mo person mo ye protest no omo the needed security say na be ya bibia because inti police in share no way a statement by some 3 days ago inti police in share they say na tnt say meje pin na makan or say the Accra Regional Police Command acknowledge receipt of your letter dated 25th September 2023 on the above subject matter, which is noticed by Ghana Football Stakeholders Forum to embark on a peaceful demonstration on Monday, October 2, 2023. Pursuant to meeting held between you and the police at the regional headquarters, Accra, on 26th September, it was agreed that 1. You embark on your intended demonstration on the 4th of October 2023 between the hours of 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. 2. You shall present petition to the Ghana Football Association and the Minister of Youth and Sports. 3. You shall ensure that there is no infiltration. 2. Second point, the police wish to assure you that it will provide you with the needed security coverage for your intended demonstration according to its mandate. Best regards. Ora Henry Kojotu, only a Deputy Commissioner of Police, and also sounds a Deputy Regional Commander Accra, or no, and a sign Kratano, and so the moment as a bibiade than Aquemo.
Okay.
Na Yashu Munano, na Nipa or Mudi a year Ghana Football Stakeholders Forum Mudi Timano, Bakon a Abraham Wache.
One man supporter.
Name they say a friend of 1 man supporter. Inti a shall see a bit to me puswa homa. Na ye ni omodin komana. In some potting tia or more demonstration idiot here the Ghana Football Association or more de atuja. But send ye Ghana your constitution ekano. Obia wo ho kwan bia so utimi to anamonse. So this is not unconstitutional. It is something that the Ghana constitution no allow. Inti yemhwe se nyoma enso betiako.
Okay, me da sepa. Nchechiremo omuana Michael Sarbodu Diameno. Mizaya yemko.
Yes, Bekum Chelsea mo begini the match week no na Bekum Chelsea ankasa no me concern ye say omo league na say kama me hu say Steven Amanko na first 2 games 2 goals omo kwa we mo lose by 2 goals to 1. Ye tie omo coach na nsem bi o de 2 dance na season de be sha say so be kai say e be den pass league nim na ankasa the team be betima show. They have enough quality, but I believe say from the Casa enough it's not enough for Bekum Chelsea per baby or moda anyhow or city a city bomb bono. I say aqua individual play more or less like a team effort. I expect some bit me a good resource. Collins and me our guest in Hene, Mesha Free is a career for senior Drenko for Samoa, Emmanuel Sapon, Steven Amankona, Gregory of being such as the goalkeeper Patrick Essiedu, Shaibu Haruna, Yauda.
But young fans say Accra Lions ashe first goal.
I'm not surprised that Accra Lions set him up.
Bernard Kesse.
Yes.
Na ashe Ediama.
Surprised at all.
Golden City Park.
Yes. And I make us some coaching also more money page because preseason okasa bebre o. Okasa bebre. Enya ho born.
Chelsea.
Yeah, so you have to walk the talk. Okasa bebre and fine but also with Miche. And Accra Lions has also proven to be one particular stubborn team in the Ghana Premier League. Stubborn in the sense of not say omo club bonny and answer.
Yeah.
But omo ba fi omo hard dream papa. Omo ni bo ne bo. Ana your starting league no omo pre points ni go. Your starting league na clubs omo pre points go no. Samatex. Baby any go stars. RTU at some point.
Okay.
Accra Heart of Lions, Accra Lions, not Heart of Lions. Accra Lions. Brekum Chelsea league no muntimi nye. Te omo so chance ya na se omo pre points go.
Okay.
What I say? Omo hu league ni say marathon, omo betima pick up on 15, betima pick up achire. E make sure say e ko the end omo mo ma ho de ni ma pagya kotoko has me de ma aduana.
Dentina your chance ya na bi say Accra Lions mo air pre points go.
Because they want to avoid relegation during the second round and the intensity e bemu during the second round of the league. There are a lot of factors that play major role in Ghana Premier League during the second rounds. Ghana Premier League na nkasa no first round no na wait I say the level of competition how am I for ye eager say away games they psychologically they are even tough enough to go and win games you know. First round no kwa na luta be hunu wom. But so second round pa ye bopa na luta kwa kofa away win. Ghana Premier League.
It's that time na intimidations na say
just a miracle bem. It is am really muda honom na all clubs intimidation what form this and your money other factors now they take advantage of it. And first round no the position of myself here. Ki face a try be back the obo relegation 2 seasons ago. Yes, you real first round like face at that league in so. You book Kevin no. Na
muna okodoma
and say no open points na go on ma that way points e be crucial because you are 40-point mark for 2 consistent seasons. And if you want to survive the Ghana Premier League 43 and 44 43 44 45 na betimi do waka league ni you move away from the 40 points mark. It's away games ni be one ma you need to lift up your performance no etimi akwakunya results ni dia ba and Accra Lions already omako takwa akofa 1 point. Ama mo ba fie be fa 3 points.
Etia Legon Cities.
Ana we masa kobrekum.
So mo timi kwaje 3 points ya.
Ni na mu no so mo so na say first goal. Omo ko takwa mo na ko share first goal. Ye bete omo share second goal na say bete ma na ye 2-2. Tanko. Eni ni bro ni no. Ana omba fie no omba share Legon 1-0. Here din. Then this time around Omasako Brekum Omasako she first goal. E Brekum. And I akwa yes say omo she first goal na tie den. Omba of you no be sure first goal na tie den. So to do a comeback against Accra Lions and yet proper last season it was difficult be sure ma can show ma and I be draw no mo come baby. And they have a very good team. And they come under 18 to call Serbia tournament. A business no moko.
I mean, say Bruni be crying
a business, and I think every club does that. Okwa, Senwako Tombi, no, the Biaba club, no Okumasi. And this is also a team that they have lost some key players. I think the last season, no man, no, a key part of the team in the first round. Jacob and Women's Okoye. And then Sobila, Mike Sobila still with the team. It's Sobila and Tukwano. About Samaris went to Kwano. It's almost like they are adding so much experience to the team. More than resources based. But Bekum Chelsea, Kasanene. Number 2, Luther, protest. No, no. I'm not saying so you protest, but protest you could see baby. Just 1 month
so channel grievances.
Oh yes, channel your grievances there. You can do it. What did the measure say? But what is the weight of Isaiah Ampon in terms of Ghana football fraternity? The weight here then.
But say somebody like one man supporter
wait ain't taking decisions with the FA.
But I know say he's recognized because of
who 2 demonstrations within 2 weeks, meboa.
Yes.
Occupy Julobo house and Julobi house. O mine a team no sabi.
And they say bro to me be
abro ne adwin bone ekuta ye mpanifo bi no nti o mine kora nkoso. Na you to know nyoma mo ye pushy. What was the results at the end of the day? Even if say nyoma nye rapida, there have been 1 or 2 instances be ama decisions be mpanifo bi take no more resigned it. I didn't hear because o check Ghana about to mo omo to aba last season last 4 years ni nyina no total vote ni nyina na ye kabo ni nyina no the youth occupies not less than 55%.
And I say youth no so abamobu
youth na abamobu ko man na say o man na tete o man na pansam adwen boni ku ye mpanyimfo no adwen boni ko na hye mpanyimfo ni trimu ma adwen boni
so in this case so
you see how the youth impact no done no because for me 55% of now if you can clubs na ke koyes a demonstration na wo let we careful no humpo
so this I don't think say e be say almost baba baby etia the football association.
You see ana me say the entia enko ba bia na cite 2 examples mama o data say the entia aban ho popo kakra e was a protest nim no say 55% of total voters youth no what I say so if you joke and here on bet my day actually but we know in terms of football fraternity no what to about why is that to about
but so on to about doesn't mean say bibi
you can channel your grievances men can say won't mean channel your grievances but demonstration ko ba bia you think that if cats put to one life for the 12 they will be shaking by Isaiah the protest over me? No, but class B to say be a Premier League class maku 18, Division 1 class maku 42, the move 20. Alan can join in at chobo ye sa no one in you see a reaction from the FA when it comes to such matters. I'm person will address it. We are born in problems with the FA. Who now problem with it? Meeting at the Biametran one because as I say, you see, we can talk and plead for team owners. Say more break. Young woman, you're meant to 2 pound farm woman and you're meant to see your mom. But they are the same people who take decisions and decisions never affect you. So the voters are the same bearers of the decisions of the FA. One man supporter na is that my idea. Idea Ghana for ntimi nye no. Ana mabɔ mo homode na mapushi pia asa ka betimi aye. Matwa so makoso aye ama na ye kama. Ba madaroma em say de mu ye nyina na de. Em say probably no cost 90 there. Me demonstration there. It's just a resource be about koye. Then last one I'm face Luther. There are basic concerns when it comes to Kumasi Asante Kotoko GC Omushe.
Sir.
Oh yes.
Esuswana say the quality someone say there.
Now 2 days ago now a story about Aston Villa there no.
Now the crowd so Omo are ready to terminate the contract with.
Aston Villa are ready to terminate the contract. So what is stopping Kumasi Asante Kotoko from demanding the best from the whole brand? Abra players say complaining say GC no Omusha na FIFA team. Emu yo mu do mu ntimi. Omokubo game against baby any go start second half na so mo DJ sin e bi di mo de hyehyehye ice mu kakra de so guguma e ma ne emu fo kakra ye yansa na mo timi dia boade
e provide heat ma omo
ana won say e provide also you just be provide a tare ho tare body no obi on ma ne honam ne sweat touch you see Sompa if these people are not ready to give you whatever that you want Mr. Mumadaroma Mose Samo
I decided not to talk about Kotoko Asem for some time. Akomia Kano, my member. You see,
anyone else will Kotoko Asem?
Yeah, I decided. But they all come, my member. You see, you don't just get up and then say me pages away. What's the science behind it? So obey Jesse Amobia. What's there? Let me Jesse na replica near to Shenana the authentic one from the club
no.
The kit manufacturing sponsor. Say be Adidas.
Yeah.
Okoto if I say Real Madrid jersey now was share and yet Adidas the Omayeno. But there's something similar.
Okay.
By a mature what you be shady. I have no matro we be go home dry fit. When was that?
Yeah.
And you go in
terms of
good. There is a science behind the anti-omodesa dry fit technology. No, every mean to making the fabric. Jesse no, and you're fake but a material by no be Jesse no. Weather conditions by no be a year born no woman measure Jesse no. Intuition no why you Jesse no based on the material and how suitable it is to weather. And it's an your man. If players are complaining now, said the Akomieka say players need be complaining about Jesse and say a chest sweat anyway now. Then it means I don't think due diligence was done in this contest.
Yes.
They can talk about the other issues about the Jesse. Say if design is
different.
I leave that to them. The experts will deal with that. But I am dealing with a concern coming from those wearing the Jesse to play. So almost say more doing FIFA no moon me fan bar. Then oman ye due diligence. No say ye purchase mun
factors pen no put two together and sana omo my side no.
One. So I check it training jerseys now omo hye ni bia. Wo ne kon ne way no. I am tempted to believe say they rushed this decision to get somebody on board to manufacture jerseys for them. Omo pre-decision no. To me due diligence wasn't done. And no nye mejuma ya fe bi mejuma so omunye and they are to ensure that so we are now in here we will come here we will praise you, 1 year we will come here we will criticize because you need to do things right. Now as a club now no my yenti na me se me pese beke the kotoko no wo my and say political party bi na bi didi a to mo tenchen no mo so di ebufuo na enam. So if you raise a concern or you criticize, they think you belong to a certain party,
which is not true.
Yes, I will just sit on the fence and not talk about it. But if you are telling me where Kotoko is coming from and what they are in now, a downgrade. Let us not kid ourselves. Kotoko did not have issues with Kit. So maybe it would escalate to replica jerseys because we can't players share the bubble for the past 3 years under the elsewhere management, you know, Kotoko did not have issues with Kit. If they are having issues now, it means a failure to continue, and that lack of continuity, you know, a reason big clubs or more Ghana, they are falling. So how to folk pejano ya dear papa bako at was 2 years, 3 years, then. If they fail to continue with it, not ya twegu.
Kwako nyini se Ghana kasa yisubani because what about the political for the Nokrana? Se ukwaku tuwe washadi we yaso ye papa ene yesi kwaku free ho.
It's because we have bad leaders.
Because
we have bad leaders. The otisus is here, you know. Or drain on kwane term, on dream beyond the term. And the Obebano so has perhaps little time to prove. And to also drain on kwane. Our leaders don't leave legacies.
It's long-term planning.
And the Obisam and one ye leaving legacies. There is no long-term planning. We are looking beyond your mandate, your period, no, a time send ye find your juma. So you're thinking within that time frame.
Because we don't know maybe one time or my mupa.
Yes, there's no adiaba.
Because we say, what do you know maybe say unama na obedu baby school dance room. Near Jesu, yes, factory yeah, as soon as in the house here, na ye jai na because they're working
and you for Confanoche. There was a maternity ward there somewhere. It's been abandoned. I don't want to talk much into it. But I'm speaking to the lack of leadership. We have poor leaders in Ghana, and that eats into Omomorani class. They think about the time frame now, so they barely leave legacies. So when your club penny be so why you mama club way for this period. No say or lay down a plan. I'll start here. That plan will be a 10-year plan sort of. Bekatche me, mabet na mebo mi say.
For the omunya crown, they leave legacies. Glazers say to Manchester United. Only Adidas in trim. Mike. Glazers to Manchester United. Team viewer so want to asu bi. Jesse logo there ni mu say the nka Heinz da kotoko GC anim no. Almost team viewer antanche ma kofa fufuraba. It's not that Glazers don't want to sell. They are selling the club.
Because when Mr. Mamuka we say if omo contract with sir omo manufacture GC no. If some certain clauses and proper clauses were put into the
and what was the process like, Meba?
That's even the image of the brand.
Kotoko, even if they want to move on from area, I don't have any problem. But what was the process like to select the next kit manufacturer? Options being available. Almost steady options, you know. And who say way by Mwa. Was there something like that? Your kit manufacturing companies were Ghana. Maniac, minimum in Maniac. Maniac, yeah, kits. Or you be made Diana.
So, Mr. Bamguri, a bossa as a football club. When there was a cost search for.
There are times, there are times you also invite.
Okay.
I say and come across being to social media. Behind the scenes, you need a kit manufacturing company to sponsor you or partner you. So behind the scenes, you need to go out. So you be on the lookout. Make I cry. There was a Ghana Premier League team Omo Veli Omo Jesse, and they are Jesse one of the best now. Quality. Only time almost starting process Omo share how to. Whether I said the Omo number to us or they will get new ones.
Derby.
3 months before the season ended. I have some documents here on my phone. On my just wait the aba. Ebo anoma send the ama me so wait there. I think it will lack say moon be so say. So what was the plan? What was the thinking like? And it boils down to the same thing. Lack of leadership. Oh yeah, the ABI be free. What was the continuity plan? See a free one, why never? Nipa no bano. His 7 year for Jesse. Yeah, unnecessary politicking. Then you come ya there no. And we forget that we will be the ones who will suffer. Sekodokono ekone ko year. Sanka kodoko Jesse won sensem there are no issues. Me better na hey, I'll be speaking to another issue about Kotoko which is much more developmental or progressive.
And they say more patch or say supporters in
Embra Stadium no. I will come here, I will hammer on that. So ya maye ni ambre ni enjoy.
Because you can also okay because say player now or no
I took a decision not to talk about Kotoko nsem.
And it's all by
Bisa komia mayare de fie be 3 weeks. Me ba na me say Kotoko asempa de me omo kan ba me nkebi. But for players to complain about Jesse e show omo de.
Because my supporter Charles Omra obeba player na where the main character be deliver man no ade na she no feel comfortable.
Come on.
Obeda my results.
Come on. For players to complain. Come on.
Now some about 2-3 days when Aston Villa players complain you.
Come on. Charlie.
Higher Sompa 93.1.
Just in one same Sada na man for plan we chire no mu pese mu kotwa bi o ba bia ada manufacturers na aka say dwuma di no obudi no obudi twa bi adi so bi no kotwa replica de ba be Thomas supporters last season
na but na chire mu yema
last season ye mbodi but there were some people who at some point in time printed area JC from China no mo ton we chire the same price as what area would have sold Kotoko JC Sompa FM. I na moye club ni sa
for more personal gains
na nka wan gains bi minuta wo du sika ko twa de beton a fa so
and a club ni hunu ye no moye dey
you see they are say abo
because of Sompa ye tia no obi de Sompa din akọ print ye bi no oton na ye huna na ye to
mu etu afra ade mu etu afra system
enti omo ni mechanism bia on betim da check bi bia
etu afra and
mechanism bia ni wo
yes we say so de so bo ho nipa ni nyantu anamo no ba o isusuye no woni trim iti isusuye no woni trim san ye di ka chere se isusuye no emoa
onyai
jai
akwam da no advice kwaku Dia na ekɔ so a enura na anasa da be na be tena be kan alasan ya no ho ahoma asem.
Yeah, George Adams ne alasan ya.
Na dia na ekɔ so yi. Eno bi asɔre a wɔse your football association me bi atia wo mo.
Oh.
Those your freedom ne there.
I disagree with Akomia on his stance, but new opinion. I respect it. But the last thing the FA wants to see in the public limelight, news are a bit negative about your football. No? One thing this current administration fighting to change the public perception about Ghana football.
Okay.
So you can see a opinion sampling across the street. You see in Mountain, so near Fernie Pabe 10 or manage football. Now be saying something about Ghana football. Response or the Bemano a be negative.
Sure.
Only your football is saying why your football they say good. In entirety, Ube Remono, Nanya no cressa. But a idea sheni trim, it has a wate radio so. Washe with TV so, and now I can kind. San your mammy and say way. It has informed the decision now, or can a man di wano sano. And a public perception. You can do so much, but you cannot clear every misconception about a particular subject or a topic. You can convince some. Until you work conversion or you convert. The person has a stance or jinafaha. But on sema obekane or neo ultimately at the Nebao camp. It happens everywhere. So the last thing the GFA will want, NSA, Sanki and the TVs we are now radios. Now you say a quobiso or more demonstration at GFA. One, this will get some kind of traction in terms of websites on Metro. Radio so kasa, TV so kasa, social media. Now, if this spreads, it's about Ghana football. Now we forget that there is a system that generates news about Ghana football. And in any search engine, Ghana football protest, Ghana football demonstration, it is not good. One, for investor confidence. Maybe a sponsor, partner. Now me misika be Ghana football mo and imagine a demonstration tiano. Do you think I'll be willing to continue? No. If I am a new sponsor, so I may dream who say me pesa me dem ho be share Ghana football mo. Na me pesa me dem ho be share no. Mo football no create saying no prospective sponsor wants to enter a terrain a hono there is volatility, there is negativity. A hono sheda enye so convenient and conducive. And it's then I might not realize Madecrona me pay no. Whether I say me pay a good PR image and I say me pay a good corporate image. Ni no, they will think twice about this. So some of these things they scare prospective investors or sponsors away from Ghana football. Into FA no penisa. But sa na banu because and that is where I enter into the realms of Akomiane analysis. Do these people have weight? In some of more can they won't as well. Come on by and come on too. But the few I know, they say they have issues with your national teams. And as Ghanaians, they have every right to complain about your national teams. National team, the GFA is only running the national teams on behalf of government and then on behalf of a Ghanaian population. So they can raise concerns about the GFA. But before it gets to the extent, say, be a demonstration, it means, as a normal ginseng, is that the picture? And that is no. There is an exaggeration. But on my baby every day, they might have been informed by the media commentary. I don't think so. And na many akom ya adwen ho. Me sure say ebema efe no all of a sudden obeja de oye. And all other things being equal. Senya court case the FA might not even be in Accra by the time they are doing their demonstration. Yeah. So clearly the FA might not care about who they are or where they are and what they want to do because they'll still go about their business. And if any Jumedieno, there is a lack of education about what exactly the GFA does. The Omoyama national teams, it forms a fraction, and that is even minute. It's a minority. National team activities ni in the FNA, like 15% of the FA's activities, 85% na ankasano. Most of us, we don't know, because most of us are to represent the general Ghanaian.
Yeah. Like if you read the media,
yeah, kote FNA ju media si ye. Ne say ne omusi di omu juma si fa. Some of these accusations we label against them, we'll find out that they are unfounded. Because nipa na oma FN's kaso fambo brano. Every year
about the tin
October 4 moba ebehwe FN account mu. FN ankasa so wo nipa o hwe na account mu. We are prepare financial statement dia ko. Nipa na say ne bodwo so a wagye atum no stampe. Enya sa o man sika bion. So if we look at the FA and say they are not accountable, we are also insulting the expertise and the integrity of FIFA and CAF.
Yes, so
now Kofana Mudiska bro, Mude Biano, almost says Cano, Mudiscano, and almost Mubro, and as a FIFA and CAF Sebe, Munim Nyanza.
And then Crawford Crown on Bell, the two monocrano.
Exactly, Munimekuma. Do you get it now?
Matthias,
and every national team money. GFA, it gets approval from government. The Ministry of Youth and Sports, more audited accounts. It forms part of it. So there is nothing like Sikabi Edia Faka Petase, Edia Koma FSO Monfanya national team, or Manfanye. Rather, it is government ensuring that say approving 1 CD, 2 CD, 3 CD, 4 CD, 5 CD. Say GFA Monjen Fanya national teams now. And government also ensuring that every financing and funding the befri ni waba say equal to the GFA no. It should rather look at issues that are not promotional, but issues rather that are developmental. Sebe ye nyisika ne bo betimi edu be $10 million ye nkosai wo tournament back ho. Ne e metena ha na ye pitches enya basa. That is why the citizens will complain. And I am happy they said they are submitting a petition to GFA. Normally be so called the sports ministry. It's because the FA will never get government financing when it does not get approval from the sports ministry.
Oh yes.
So most of these things, I support their more democratic right. Constitutionally, I allow for that. It's not police for ajo matum no. But in Jinaswa mode ya de nankasa de, I think that Ukoma more of their interest than the interest of every Ghanaian. And that is why I think at the end of the day, obi neto no nyom, nipa bi ye cobra. Nipa no bi
e cobra.
De
Nipa ne bi ye cobra.
Nipa ye de.
Nipa ne bi ye cobra.
I must say adwuma no. Let me say ampo amma so na kamene ne be ye acapella.
Ole le be de. Na komi ane voice nya dance.
Time crash on here.
Yeah, komi atu ye nya dance.
I'm say because me ma from sir. Because now no say me ya David Krama. Ghana
Cobra. Nipa ne bi Cobra.
Sompa FM.
Ruta.
Tell us now, ever time I say, I had a remember kwame de dwumadi no EDSC, ote Michael Akomia the sports mizayanka, ote Mickey so enka, oze das kotoko for you, Asari Clement na diaba. And we so say Hassan from Akem Nkwanten at Eastern Region, Sompa keep the fire burning. And Anane Samuel from Kunsu Kwajokrum Sports Papa Padie and one higher Sompa FM. More fire Luther Kenya Darcy. And are spending your precious time to defend the GFA. You must remember. Okay. Augustine appear. Oh, message, now was open in term. So you think the FA and the sports ministry are doing a great job? You, Augustine, oh dear, no. You know, we be asking for everybody didn't see. Cans are never the showdown walk. China and Airbus medical council be brady at all. A wo enemy and yen na yeko. They the showdown. T-shirt and a run neck and a V-neck. Brasom Panabajo DCI. Your cap no be ha. Masatina na camera no mo fan to so. Tell mo fa camera no to safolo so no mo hwe. Wa boni showdown walk T-shirt. Na we run neck no. Na wasi abon cap. Me ba cho han na MC nice one. Asam na make na no ani China. Showdown walk cap na channel die nie.
Say nyambo tina oba.
Oh, Saforo say. O say.
Say nyambo tina oba.
Obusa say tautology. Me ginam. Me ginam.
Me hia opa.
Ah, because masa the opoto am na fi no ntiri so de bebum.
Yeah.
And am kasa da bia me trans am say super delegate conference no. Ononyam for Kennedy Japan so do ma say.
Sure.
Do ma yama no no.
Yes.
Because MPP for ma hye no monima si ahene for but omon kwa endorse no munwie.
Yes.
Because wa hyase pa. Nipa ba ko a
aselfo de na eba no.
Nipa na ba ko a ono all pretumi a enye na manyoko fo nkwa na eternity.
David.
Eye Ghana for na eternity.
Ushia Ghana ni bia o say NPP e de Kenya Japan ba de beto aba. Ma me read message be ma. Yes text line na issue all the time no. O say I'm an NDC member, but seriously, if Mr. Kennedy wins, I will change and become NPP member and vote for Kennedy. I swear. Message nini.
Oh,
become member say and the kind because I say this dam is not. Or say this dam, if not, it's in the care of the military. Chema to me and his accountant mines would have destroyed it by now. Or can say last week you shoe or no can. Dam na we our Chumaya be no. Our da check Ghana Armed Forces no. And who asem na oka. Nipa individual 1998. Timi ba Chumaya be. Be dam. From 98 to 2023, 25 years ni. And we na nyame adma next week. And then our tree. Sompa cancer way. E ho ne ekwe cancer way free.
Nice.
Yeah, the Ghana for ne MPP delegate ebe call to be a person joining Strong Voice Network. Now you call Atmayabi. You call share dam na de bia ya kan wasem e show videos ne pictures or some party so ne social media nya no. O pese o kwa ye nyina na me media me kwa uni madam de ko. Me de nchine. Meku. Jenny. Tomatoes. Nam de gari. And I said, damn, nam kwan to your kwatin be annual. Catching on the save or vegetarian. And about fresh or come and catch it a very well.
But I say, Saforo no way or Begina Kunyano, I suppose when Cheras and Petty are in Pancasa. When we for Kennedy Japan, or say a brain ye, a china, me say a yawo me, any honorable, any echo. Na young Chenny do, young Chendo say MPP, per se break the 8 a yon kwani, you know.